I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to disable two-factor authentication on Razorpay, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your Razorpay account. Start by logging into your Razorpay account using your credentials. Ensure you have access to the email or phone number associated with your account for verification. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, go to the Settings menu. From there, find and select Security Settings to access your authentication options. Step 3. Locate two-factor authentication. In the Security Settings, look for the two-factor authentication section. Here, you will see the current status of your 2FA setup. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Just a heads up, if you don't receive the code, check your spam folder or ensure your phone is connected to the network. Step 5. Confirm changes. After entering the verification code, confirm your changes to successfully disable two-factor authentication. You should see a confirmation message indicating that 2FA has been turned off. I hope this guide helps you navigate the process smoothly. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.